Okay, hello folks. So a lot of you are encountering a problem with Skin Modifier that when you apply the scale, it seems to go back to its original shape. So here I have a solution for you. I mean, I can tell you what you're doing wrong. So when I apply the Skin Modifier to this edge here, this is an edge, and I subdivide it because that's how I generally use it. So if I scale it down in everything but Z, this is what I get. Now if I apply the scale, it goes back to its original shape. This is something we do not want, right? So what we need to do instead is we need to go into edit mode. Since we did this in object mode, we just scaled it down. That's not how it works. We need to go into edit mode, select it. We need to select all the vertices we want affected. Here I just have to. And we need to scale down these radius, the main radius in X and Y, or whichever you need done. So we scale it down here. Then we go back into object mode and we apply the scale. And there you have it. That's what you've been doing wrong. You have been scaling it down in object mode, which seems like the right thing to do sometimes, but in the case of skin modifiers, that's not how you go about it. You need to change it in edit mode. You need to scale down the radius, the mean radius. I hope this helps you. This is DSS signing out. Thanks.